This is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, already we know complementary angles means sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Already we know sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. In right angle triangle, if angle B is equal to 90 degrees means automatically angle A plus angle C is equal to also 90 degrees. Is it clear, Nana? So I am taking as if it is theta, if this is the theta means automatically this is 90 minus theta. Is it clear or not? Example, it is 40, that is 50, means 90 minus 40. If it is 60, that is 30. If it is 20, that is 70, because sum of the two angles is equal to 90. Simply I am assuming that this is the theta means that is 90 minus theta. Is it clear? Okay, once we check these all, Nana, in triangle ABC, so angle B is equal to 90 degrees, angle A is equal to, angle C is equal to theta degrees, then angle A is equal to 90 minus theta. Okay, sir, is it clear? Okay, once we recall, first I am taking as sine, sine theta. Sine theta. Sine theta means opposite side to the theta. The theta's opposite side is AB by theta's adjacent, hypotenuse is AC. So the value of sine theta is AB by AC. And the same way you have to find cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta, adjacent side is AB by hypotenuse is AC. So what happened, Nana? Sin theta is equal to AB by AC, but cos 90 minus theta is also AB by AC. So we understood that sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. In the same way, you have to find cos 90 theta. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side, that is BC. And hypotenuse is always AC only for that triangle. Okay, and the same way sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus opposite side to 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta's opposite side is also BC. By hypotenuse is always for that triangle. So what happened? Cos theta is equal to BC by AC. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to also BC by AC. Therefore, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Is it clear, sir? Right. So sin cos relation is finished. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. In the same way about tan theta. So tan theta. Tan theta, opposite side by adjacent side. Theta's opposite side is AB. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to AB by BC. The same way cot 90 minus theta. What will be cot 90 minus theta? Cot 90 minus theta is adjacent side by opposite side. 90 minus theta's adjacent side is AB by opposite side is BC. So what happened, Nana? So tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Is it clear? Right. Next. So check by the cot theta. Cot theta means adjacent side by opposite side. Theta's adjacent side is BC opposite side is AB. Okay, I find out tan 90 minus theta. You observe that 90 minus theta. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side to the 90 minus theta is BC. Okay, by adjacent side to the 90 minus theta is AB. So what happened now? BC by AB, BC by AB. So we understood that cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. So is it clear, sir? So what happened now? Cot theta is cot 90 minus theta. Sorry, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. And the same way, sine sec also. Sec theta. Sec theta means hypotenuse by adjacent side. Sir, hypotenuse for this triangle always AC is the hypotenuse. By adjacent side, hypotenuse by adjacent side to the theta, that is BC. Okay, find out cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta. What we get? Cosec theta means what? Hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse to the 90 minus theta. That is always AC for that triangle. And hypotenuse by opposite side. Opposite side to the 90 minus theta, that is BC. So what happened? Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. So we have to convert sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta, and the same way cosec theta. Cosec theta means hypotenuse by opposite side. Theta's, this is hypotenuse is AC only, and theta's opposite side is AB, sir. The same way sec 90 minus theta. So sec theta means hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is AC only, and 90 minus theta's adjacent side. 90 minus theta's adjacent side is AB. So both are equal, sir. That's why cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. Is it clear for all? How once you recall that? Everywhere, if you want to conversion from sin theta to cos theta, this is one of the way to convert. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, or cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Means tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. Is it clear for all? So from this easily we can analyze some values. How means? From this information we understood that, example, anyway sin 40 degrees is there. The value of sin 40 is equal to cos 50. Because we know already sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. 90 minus 40, that is 50 only. Okay, sin convert as cos, and see that example, cos 60 degrees, it is equal to sin 30, because sum of these two angles is equal to 90. Sum of these two angles is equal to 90. So sin cos, only sin to cos, cos to sin. Example, sin 25 degrees, this is equal to cos how many degrees? 90 minus 25, that is 65. Is it clear? 25 to 65. Okay, like that. Cos 40. Okay, cos 40 degrees, that is equal to sin 50 degrees. Cos 40 is equal to sin 50. Okay, cos is converted to sin, sin is converted to cos. The same way tan cot also. Tan 40, that is equal to cot 50. Tan 40 is equal to cot 50. Next, cot 20. Tan 70. Tan 70. Cot 20 value is equal to tan 70 degrees. Like that, sec 40 means cosec 50. Cosec 80 means sec 10 degrees. Okay, you have to practice like this. These are the complementary angles.